DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
Gang. Yo, YouTube. Wagwan. YouTube, you see Wagwan? That mafia, you see Wagwan. Who trouble Deva? Who trouble Deva Bratt? Kartel, why you do it? Kartel, I'm an artist, but why you do it? You come like you chip off Deva Bratt head, brother. This man, you wake a sleeping lion, you wake a sleeping dragon, you wake a beast, but dog. You see me? Cause me don't know yet, no dog. Something you say in the interview that strike Deva Bratt nerves, bro. She never call the man right, tell the man to go do this. Cause Deva come for your head, dog. You see me? Yeah, man. Deva drop a wicked tune called Homage. Me not lie. You can't say you're right, a foolish, but a bad tune Deva drop on the teacher. Man, I use the whole teacher slang against him. You see me? I say, man, use him situation against him. You see them and shot against him. You see me? Deva not playing with Kartel. He coming for Kartel head. But me think say this is gonna be a one-off this, and the dog circle. You see me? But look like Deva now he's up, dog. Japan another one ago about a hour ago or a couple hours ago entitled Letter from Hell. And we're gonna check it out, you know. You don't know when war are going with there, you know. When clash are going with there, when the business are who could teacher himself and get buried. You see me, I say, I'm an artist. You see me with their feet and we're going to talk the truth. Who don't like it, go jump off a bridge. You see me, I say? But yeah, man, gang with there with another one. Deva Bratt just dropped the one I call Letter from Hell. And people, you see, one thing must say, yo, dog, release hidden letter from Lizard. That can't true. But we're going to check it out. We're going to see what go on. Come. I forget this out tune in the gang. Yeah, man. I drop it. Deva Bratt, Letter from Hell. Let's get it.
Actually. Crucial conflict.
And I used to say factually, I want to fax this to you know, hey.
Yo, Kartel, I made this a lizard. You know you're a genius, Einstein wizard. Me know say you're cool like blizzard. But down a hell at the cheese bottom clocks, them I got diesel. Me glad.
Already bomb. Wait. You don't play with the youth here, no? No, man, this man serious. Creativity. No, now never think about yo.
It's a lizard, you know you're a genius, Einstein wizard. Me know say you're cool like blizzard. But down a hell at the cheese bottom clocks, them I got diesel. Me glad say you bust the case and it resolve. Me barefoot, them take
Deva.
the sneakers them when me did have a Gaza me say, bust it, squeeze triggers. Me they are still a bonus fifth, me and two killers. Letter from L, letter from L. Letter from L, letter from
No sir, this dangerous. This not safe, you know. This not safe. You see from the first tune where dog job. Plus the tune where dog, this not safe, man. This not safe. Don't play with Deva Bratt. The creativity there, you know.
L. Letter from L. Letter from L. Letter from L. Letter from L. My mother did a shoot.
What? He like you were weird. He like what?
Letter from L. My mother did a
Man
shoot.
say me right for Kartel. He never right.
But me couldn't see the vision. Me no know if you do maths. Me don't know the vision. You know man a yes man. Badness religion. But me and a boss. Me no make no decision. Stick a pint. Thumb tack. Star you call my phone and say come chat. Me did tell you say the thing them a go run back. But as me reach at the gate so you turn back. What?
Weird. Sean star me dog. Weird.
Man a yes man. Badness religion. But me and a boss. Me no make no decision. Stick a pint. Thumb tack. Star you call my phone and say come chat. Me did tell you say the thing them a go run back. But as me
Okay, but say man yes man like Sean star. But that's what I say. Weird.
reach at the gate so you turn back. Walk one. Me never know. Me young go concern how my daughter grow. Me hear ya the new name for loyalty. Me want know if my friends are for 4 is a show.
Who say yeah the new name loyalty? I want some of my friends are for 4. So he must say yo Sean. You and Deva, they are friends, if you're a liar, you're a liar to Deva for. Wait, why?
You know man not bitter dog. Anything round no say me never jitter dog. Even though nobody there even get a button picture dog. Tell Sir P and Deva say now wait for no video call. Now Wi-Fi not there. Letter from L. Letter from L.
Yo, Lisa, tell Sir P and Deva, don't wait for the video call, look, guy dad. Oh my
letter
God.
From L. Letter from L. Letter from L. Letter from L. Letter from L.
Dog saying right for cartel. Boom, so hold on there. He must say, wait, Lisa did I write for cartel? I never did I write for cartel. I devil did I write for cartel. Which one, gang? You don't have to make me know what I go on, bro. But this mad creative. Big up Deva Bratt. Cheese and peas and Jesus. Yeah, man write a letter from Lizard. Oh, go on, man. No, man, this has stir up thing. I feel like, yo, hey, Deva have some secret. Deva know something, man. Deva know something for real. Deva know something man can reveal. Hey, we not try likely, you know. We not try likely, because we Deva go on with homage and must spill certain things, right? Man talk like you know some things about cartel where we don't know, you know. You see me? Now that come with letter from hell when I write from Lizard point of view. You see me? Then I call out Shawn, say Shawn, your name for liar. You call me, say you come through for gunshot and wait. Then you come talk about and then you never. Deva knows how to in that. Deva knows how to in that. Easy Deva, but big up your damn self though with G. Yeah, man, big up that. Me appreciate the bravery. Me appreciate the creativity. You see me and say, yeah, man, I appreciate bravery. I appreciate the creativity. You know, I take no talk from the man, make the man come dish up you. You see me and say, hey, you know, business that, could have the best, or them claim are the best, you come for it. You coming for the crown. That's what I like, see, bro. You see me and say, we no business in there, you're the best, right, but other artists, no fear against no other artists, because this is a sport, it's a music industry, but it's also a sport. Once it was the best. You see me? Because, yeah, me is a Kartel fan, so I say, yo, Kartel are the best. That don't mean to me no want to see other artists try to take the crown. Yeah, man, you out there, no? Yeah, I want to see me artists with the crown, you know. And I wear the crown and say, I'm the king, I'm the best. But, other artists out there should be trying to take the crown. You see me, I say, you stop going like a bitch. You see me, I say, yeah, man. Yeah, that's how I feel, but big up Deva. You see me, if Kartel says something, man, now I hands and then, you're not boring up the thing. Dancehall is all about this, you know, man. You see me, you're a bad artist. And you know, I'm another artist called this you up and style you up and rate it. You go stand by your thing like a man and you go defend your thing. You see me, clash is a part of the dancehall, you know. It's a big part of the culture, you know. You see me, what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, like all, enough of the artists are bait. Because if I was an artist, like me, I say, if I was the artist, you see the day Kartel come out of jail, I'll be a true me chop on this, because I know saying can't answer. And plus, you having disease for play upon, or him look for play upon, him hold up you know, waste out him time. You know what thing you can't tell Kartel, brother? But you don't have the creativity, you not idiot. You see me? Oh, can you make a man there jail for 13 years? Come a road and what? Oh, me not drop tune, back a tune. Big up Kartel, I'm an artist. You see me what me not say? From no point of view, you should have not own for the dog head right now. That's a perfect time to take Kartel stripe, you know, because dog can't defend the crown. Well, you can't take Kartel because he don't solidify himself as a legend. But you see, if you want to make a name for yourself, right, you know, you could have go at the dog and you know, say dog answer so that I'll give you a good look. Whereas if you drop some solid tune, because people want to clash, you know, and people want to see somebody go at the dog, you know, hey. But nobody no come follow now. Deva Bratt do it first, and then do it for a legit reason. So we don't want to come with no fake fabricated beef. You see me I say? I mean, nobody can follow Deva because see Deva get a little shine and a little look in right now. So I say, oh, Deva do it, and people pay attention. I'm going to see if we can do it same now. Because the rest of them go follow. I'm not been a do it. So big up Deva Bratt. You see me I say? Big up Deva Bratt. Young, I'm not thinking in the comment section. If you like it, definitely show that to someone so making us dance. You don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Man, I'm interested to see. I hope this keep going, man. Do you think Kartel gonna reply? Probably not. But yo, it would be interesting. It would nice up the place. Freedom Street are today. Oh yeah, I said Freedom Street are today. Hold on there. New Year's are tomorrow. Oh, I'll go on. Anyway, gang, till next time, take care of yourself and each other. live stream later on. We live stream in Freedom Street. So tune in. Yeah, we're gonna be live streaming Freedom Street. So tune in later on for the live stream. Come chill, relax with us. You see me? I'm taking it short. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love, guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.